Yeah. The previous classes we are discussed is done the integration of sine power nx dx. We are already finished the workout how we did off because this derivations will come in exams as in 7 mark session and after evaluation also there. What we got in this answer for this, the in is equal to sine power nx dx is equal to sine power n minus 1 into cos x by n plus n minus 1 by n into in minus 2 we got. This is for sine power nx dx we completed. And I was already given the homework. You need to try into that. The in is equal to integration of cos for nx into dx is equal to how much? This is we need to find out. If your people are clear the answer, after cos power 4x dx calculation also I was given in the previous video. If anybody is done, please look into that if your answers are correct or not. I am trying to explain clearly once again. These portions are, it's very important. Now in is equal to the integration of cos power nx dx is equal to how much? Then after you has to calculate the cos power of 4x dx is equal to cos power 4x dx equal to how much? This is the question. Okay. Then I should try to find out the calculation of in is equal to cos power nx. So integration cos power nx dx. So step number 1 is what your main interesting role is what here we need to write the cos inverse x into cos x. You need to multiply both. So this becomes again it is 1. So that's what I was for my convenient I was multiply. This you can take step number 1, the given question. So continuation of the next, the in is equal to integration. This both combined I'll write cos power n minus 1x into cos x dx. This portion I write like this. Still, it is no problem. This question is look like is very simple. Now here our assumption is what this question is look like is UV model. This is one function. This is another function. This is inverse. This is trigonometry. According to Eilert, this will come inverse is first, trigonometry coming second. So you can take u is this one. So I'll try to take now u is equal to cos power n minus 1x. V is equal to left out portion integration of cos x dx. Then u is equal to, then you want du. Du is equal to, this will look like x power n model. This you treat it as x power n model. So d by dx of x power n is what? N into x power n minus 1. Similarly, n into x power n minus 1. This is the n, writing one more minus 1 into d by dx of internal derivative of cos x. When you continue that, what's a du is equal to n minus 1 into cos power n minus 2. D by dx of cos x is minus sin x. D by dx of cos x is minus sin x. This is the final answer. Du is equal to minus of n minus 1 cos power n minus 2 into sin x. Clear. Next, v is equal to integration of cos x is plus sin x. Remember, it is plus sin x plus c. Now you have every answer with you. What answer you know? You have u, you have v, and you have du. So this is look like a UV model you are going to apply. Now let us, I'll try to copy the things in the next page. So in is equal to, it is integration of UV, right? The UV model. What is the thing UV model? Formula is UV integration VDU according to my session. Now let us try to apply the method. In is equal to, what's the value of u you take? What's the value of your assumption u is equal to? Cos power n minus 1. So u is cos power n minus 1x. What's the value of v? The v assumption is it's very simple. Integration of that we got it is sin x minus integration. What's the value of v, Nana? To be sin x. What's the value of du? So du very important. It's minus n minus 1, right? So minus of n minus 1 into cos power n minus 2 into x. Then after what is the thing you got? Sin x. minus n minus 1 into cos power n minus 2 to sin x. Still it is no doubt at all. Let you continue that in is equal to cos power n minus 1x into sin x. Here it is minus into minus, it becomes plus. Then integration, this you write cos power n minus 2 into x, the sin x into sin x. It has sin square x. X still is no problem test. It is very clear. Next continuation, I'll write in is equal to cos power n minus 1 into sin x plus integration cos power n minus 2 into x. So here the very interesting thing here, the step number 2 is place measurement. Sin square x you can write it is 1 minus so 1 minus cos square x, you have to write it down because sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Here sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x into dx. This is step number 2. It's very important when you're doing it, is your calculation of continuous procedure. This is we have to write, don't forget. Sin square means you are converted into, because all our cos terms simple, I'll write the sin square 1 minus cos square. The next step, you can simplify the question. In is equal to cos power n minus 1 into x into sin x plus here it is we are missing something, n minus 1 you are missing, I was left out. Here you can write n minus 1, n minus 1. So here it is n minus 1 into integration cos power n minus 2 into x, because 1 into x dx, minus into plus minus n minus 1 into integration cos power n minus 2x into cos square x into dx. Still it is clear. Okay, so here you have to understand this. What can I write? Because in is equal to integration of cos power nx dx. So n minus 2 mean this you can write in minus 2. Okay, then after next step, this you simplified version, what you are going to getting it out. I can add one more step here, minus n minus 1, n minus 2 and 10, this is what cos nx dx. So here you can write this, you can write it is in. This is in. So all the here in, here in, you should take out actually. So better I'll copy in the next page to understand more clearance. In is equal to cos power n minus 1x into sin x plus n minus 1 into plus or minus, it is here it is plus n minus 1 into integration cos power n minus 2x into dx minus n minus 1 into integration of cos power nx into dx. Still it is the next step, previous step, that is what I was copied. So I told you just now, this you can write it as in minus 2. This you can write in the in. So here in is there, we are aim is to find out in. So all terms should be left. So in, then minus will come plus n minus 1 into in. Extension cos power n minus 1 into dx into sin x. N minus 1 integration cos power n minus 2 into x into dx. So still your requirement is in. So in should take common. So in is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 is equal to cos power n minus 1 dx into sin x plus n minus 1 into integration of cos power n minus 2 x into dx. So our main requirement is what? In only. So in is equal to this plus minus 1, only n will come here. So n is should take a denominator. So cos power n minus 1x into sin x by n plus n minus 1 by n into this, what you can going to write here, it is this is a left out, right? In will go out, right? This here, right? So I can write in minus 2. So I can write directly in minus 2. So still this we are getting answers clearly. So till yes, our proof is done. Okay. So like this, the procedure what we went off, you can go very clearly one by one. We can getting it all answers clearly, right? Okay. Now we are switch on to that. The question is you are mentioned. In is equal to integration of cos power nx dx. Then after you're asking what is the value of cos power 4x dx. Extension you're asking cos power 4x dx. It's a very simple. You first you need to write your own formula. I think we know in is equal to integration of cos power nx dx is equal to what is the formula we are having? It is cosine n minus 1x into sin x by n plus n minus 1 by n into in minus 2. So powers we are going to make it. It is n is equal to requirement is 4. So your assumption n is equal to 4. You substitute in the answer. So I4 is equal to cos power 4 minus 1 into sin x by 4 plus 4 minus 1 by 4 I4 minus 2. So I power 4 is equal to cos cube x into sin x by 4 plus 3 by 4 into in minus 2. Till clear? So 2 minus 2 it becomes it is a 2. Okay, we got till it is I2 is clear, very no doubt at all. So here the agenda is what I2 is you don't know. Again, you can write I2 separately find out. So I2 you can according to that n is equal to 2 you are going to substitute in your given answer. What are you going to apply? Cos 2 minus 1 into dx the sin x by 2, then 2 minus 1 by 2 into I2 minus 2. This extension it is cos x into sin x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into I2 minus 2 because 2 I naught. So what is the value of I naught? I told you it is just x. So it is x. I rewrite in the next page directly the answer. I power 4 is equal to what is the answer is here? I power 4 is equal to cos power cos cube x sin x by 4. Cos cube x sin x by 4 to 3 by 4 into I2. Just now you got I2 value. So I power 4 is equal to cos cube x into sin x by 4, 3 by 4 into what's the value of I2 you got? Sin x cos x by 2, then x by 2. So cos x sin x by 2 plus x by 2 plus. If you go to simplify the answer, it is final answer. I'm writing it right now. So I4, this is nothing but integration of cos power 4x dx. Answer is cos cube x sin x by 4, then 3 by 8 cos x sin x, then 3 by 8 x plus c. This is the final answer. Extension of cos power 4x dx we are finding by using the formula of this one. What is the cos power x? So examination you need to, if you are unable to remember the formula, the better duty is to you has to go and find out this proof by step. Step 1 what, step 2 what, step 3 what. Every step you need to find out. The trick is this is a one tricky. First trick is the assumption of this. Second trick